contractually obligated to turn my camera off at this time.
Okay, we'll give you a minute. Does your mom or dad know it?
No.
Okay.
I don't. I said I don't. I thought you said I did. Whatever.
What did the chicken say?
Are you doing your video?
Yes, I did video.
Can I hold the camera? Can I hold the camera and do the video? Can I please?
Go. And read it.
Here, I'll do it through the window.
Trying to videotape you.
I want to do it through the little finger window.
You gotta ask what it is.
Say it again.
Say it like
Say it
that.
again, Georgie.
Who lived in a poop
Window.
under 15?
Who lived in the poop under the sea?
Anybody?
I don't know.
SpongeBob!